My koti koti dandot pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual master. Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And same koti koti dandot pranam in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedant Swami Maharaj ki jai. How he was obeying his master, spiritual master. One day he took a box that Prabhupada used to give to all. Lock, giving lock, the key he used to keep with him. And there was some hole. So,
like a
one
small
pi,
container,
two pi,
you can give some
they
coins.
used to collect. One day Prabhupada was going on car and in Calcutta,
Hot summer day.
very summer day, in a banyan tree, he was sleeping, giving his box
Under his head,
Under
like
his-
a pillow.
as a pillow.
The nun can, if he put here,
Then-
someone can take, nun can take.
The driver of Prabhupada, any brahmachari, told, oh,
Pyari Mohan.
Sri Branat Bihari is sleeping here. Then tears came in the eyes of Prabhupada. How they are high rusticated family of boy and serving in this back to door he is begging. By his mercy, oh, now Guru Maharaj is known to whole world. Through me and Swamiji, your Gurudev, as he told, with two hands, preaching in whole world his missions, teachings, that we are soul. We are not this physical body. Try to understand. This is a bag of urine, stool,
Mucus,
Bones,
blood
bones,
and
blood.
urine and everything. One day you will have to give up this body. You will be old. All will neglect you. And you will have to give up this body. In world, no one is happy. Those who are entangled in sense gratifications. So, at once give up all these things. All attachment you should give up and chant Hari name. Hari name is very powerful. It can stop your endless pain of birth and death. Don't delay. Tomorrow you can die. So today you should be engaged. This is the love and affection for Krishna, the Supreme Lord. It will save you. So, we are preaching these things. Prabhupada, in his eyes tears came and he was very much happy. That for me, these landlords, very sukumar,
Very soft.
very soft,
Gentle.
and they are whole day in summer day, they are doing like this. And that is why, by his mercy, he is now known in whole world. He was, after Prabhupada departure, he went to Calcutta and established Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. Your Gurudev, Bhakti, Abhaycharan Bhakti Vedanta Swami, at that time Grihastha. He was one of them, founder, and others so many. And he kept this name Bhakti Vedanta. Someone asked, why Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti? Then he told, Prabhupada has kept the name of
Abhay Charan Prabhu Bhakti Vedant. So we preach Brahma Sutra of Vyasdev, that Krishna has form. He has all quality. He is not Nirvishesh Brahma, not shapeless, no
Quality.
qualities. So not this. So I have named this Samiti Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, and I will give my
Sannyas.
disciples sannyas
Title
Bhakti
Bhakti
Vedanta Swami, Bhakti Vedanta Narayan, Bhakti Vedanta Vikram, and like so. So all became satisfied. Then he established Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti in Navadvip. Also he preached a
Established.
center. And Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, giving so much inspiration in dream that still you are not taking sannyas. At once you should accept sannyas, though I have given internally you sannyas. But 3 times I tried to give you sannyas, but
The management.
all
Management of Gaudiya Math.
for the management, all devotees told that if he will take sannyas, then all management will be ruined. So I stopped. But now you must take. Then he went to Katwa and took sannyas from Param Pujyapad Sridhar Maharaj.
Maharaj.
Also he was friend of Bhakti Vedanta also. Took sannyas. And then he began to preach all over India, especially Assam, Bengal, and other provinces. Then he gave sannyas, first sannyas, to Pujyapad Baman Maharaj, Vikram Maharaj, and myself. And after some days, 19, Swamiji,
59.
59,
আপনারা 54 উনি 59
Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, he took sannyas. How? In boyhood he was very intelligent, sharp memory, and he studied in English.
English
So he
medium.
was master of English. One day he heard the name of Prabhupada and went to take darshan. And then Prabhupada saw him, and at once he told, "You are very
Qualified.
learned person. You should preach my mission in English."
Western country.
And then he began to write
Articles.
essays in English, Bengali, in Hindi, and other things. He used to also give essays to my Gurudev, articles
Bhakti Patrika.
to be published in
Magazine, monthly magazine.
monthly magazine,
Gaudiya Patrika.
Gaudiya
Patrika.
Patrika, and also I was the editor of Bhagavad Patrika in that.
Hindi.
At that time, your Gurudev, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, told me a story